Homemade gnocchi. First, what did you guys do? Boil potatoes?
Yeah.
Very simple enough. First, boil potatoes.
Then peel.
Then peel. There's the boiling of the potatoes. There's the peeling of the potatoes. And what's the next step?
Add eggs and flour.
All right. Well, it looks like mommy's that's like you're making mashed potatoes.
Basically.
So
Yeah.
turn the potatoes. This is how you make gnocchi. You want me to do it?
The problem is that they got a little bit cold and we should have
Okay,
mashed them.
I got more muscles than you. You want me to do it?
Yeah.
Okay, so basically squish all these potatoes.
Yeah. 3.
Okay, so 3. How many patatas did you guys do?
Okay, wait, how
13?
many did you put? How many potatoes did you put?
I think we said we're gonna do like 10, but then I put like 13.
Oh, God. So then put like 2 eggs.
Oh,
But don't put shells.
I think I saw a shell.
Yeah, because the shells are just going to make it crunchy.
Crunchy.
Actually, shells are supposed to be good for you. You know that, right? Like if
Calcium.
you grind them, you can feed them to birds. Did you know that? Birds like grounded up eggshells. This is a fact. So you don't just learn how to make gnocchi.
Okay, there is a piece missing.
Let's see the piece that's missing, Pat. Look at that. That's going to be in somebody's gnocchi. Don't put eggshells in your gnocchi.
Where did it go?
I think it's just folded.
Is this
Yeah, I
crushed
think
up? It's just crushed up. I think this is crushed. Because I don't see it here.
Okay. How many eggs are you bringing? 3?
Yeah.
Where do we get these eggs if there's no eggs for sale anywhere?
Oh, there's eggs. There's no butter.
So 3 eggs?
I don't know. I guess. We'll start with 3 eggs.
And then what? You mix it by hand?
Yep.
There you go. It's very simple. Boil potatoes, squish them, 3 eggs, and mix it by hand.
But you need flour.
Not yet.
You're gonna put the flour in. Look at that. Keep your social distancing. What are you doing?
Like Animal Crossing.
What's it called?
Animal Crossing.
Animal crackers?
Animal Crossing.
Why don't you play on Twitch, make some money? Maybe Mr. Beast will donate money to you. We can.
True.
Good job, baby. Look at you go.
Yeah, you're going to have to probably take over when I add the flour because
Okay.
my arm's hurting me already.
I'm a professional, baby. I'm a baker, so this is not a problem for me.
This is the first time we're making. My mom said until it gets to a dough that you can,
Okay, it's already a dough that you can.
No.
like a pasta dough.
Interesting.
You know, there's no ingredients. I mean, no measurements.
Shouldn't we make this like on the table and stuff?
Well, if it gets too hard in the bowl, yes, but
So you put potatoes, eggs, and flour. That's it.
that's it.
That's gnocchi.
Did you put salt?
No, we put salt in the cumin.
So,
When you cook pasta, you put salt in the water.
okay, you want to put more flour or
No,
not?
but the...
That's how I not always made it.
Oh.
You want to put more flour or?
Yeah.
Okay, come on. I don't got all day. Actually, we probably do have all day where nobody's going nowhere. You got flour all over my Canon Vixia. Thank God you have someone like me around.
I would have just sit a little bit at a time.
Yeah.
It's a lot of gnocchi.
It's pretty hard, Tad. Want to put more?
Yeah.
Oh my God, I think it's enough.
Okay, dough.
So now we moved it to the table so we can, my advice is do half of the mix.
Yeah.
Whatever
That's
Teresa
fine.
said. If Teresa said do 10 potatoes, do 5.
No,
And
you can just mix it a little bit at a time.
6.
This is a lot.
Because this is a lot.
Yeah.
And it's
You
getting
don't
hot.
need this much.
Okay. We've never done this ourselves, actually, so we don't know what we're doing. How's that? More?
Good. I think.
I don't know. Is it supposed to be sticky? Eva?
I don't know. Why are you asking me?
Okay, put a little bit more flour. if that's what you guys want.
I thought it was supposed to be like a bread dough.
No.
Not a bread dough, like a little bit. So we have to be able to roll it in a.
Yeah.
Okay, so we got it out of the bowl, and now we're mixing on the table with a little bit of more flour. Isn't that fun, Eva? Look how much fun we're having, huh?
Yep.
Social distancing, we're staying inside, trying to stay away from all the nasty sickness that's outside. So what are we gonna do? Make some gnocchi.
Okay, I'm recording.
Because then you're going to be cooking at different times, right?
Dad, I'm recording. What do I do?
What do you want to do? You're showing what we did. We mixed it on the table. We cut it. Now we're cutting into little pieces. Then I make them into other little pieces like this. I stretch them out, and then mommy rolls it on the fork and sticks it on a pan that we have semolina on, so they don't stick together. That's what we're doing.
There is usually a basket that.
Wait, let me see. Let me get it.
It's a little bit sticky still, but they tasted fine. We tested it out. We don't know.
They're gonna be fabulous. I think you gotta let it rest too. See, look how perfect this is, Eva. Your mommy's. Oh, that's why we needed 2 scrapers.
Good?
Thanks, baby. See how perfect?
Go a little bit skinnier.
Sure. Wow.
Semolina on it?
Let me try and get the shadow out of here. Yeah. Look at that. Look at my gnocchi. Patata gnocchi. How many trays did you guys get? So all that tray, we got 2 full trays of gnocchi. Next time to make half.
How do you even do that?
Now-
We're a big family.
We're gonna let this rest. I don't know, we're gonna keep it in the cantina.
I'm going to freeze them.
Freeze them, and then tomorrow we're gonna cook them. So tomorrow we'll come back, make beautiful sauce, and try these gnocchi. For our gnocchi, you're making 2 different sauces.
Yes.
One's meat and one's plain.
Yeah. One has separate sausages.
That's the sauce for our gnocchis.
Meatballs, sausages.
There's our yummy gnocchi. Oh my god, hope it comes out good.
Me too.
Okay, them floating to the top is a good sign, right?
Yeah, they have to float. But I don't want to touch them. They're all different shapes.
See, it's the point of having fun. I'm sure people will appreciate not having that sound. I would say you should start taking that out.
No, they've been in there for 1 minute.
All right. The gnocchi, aka what? Potato dumplings. They look so good.
They're not potato dumplings.
What do they call them?
They're gnocchi.
In English, they must call them something.
It's not an English word. It's gnocchi.
No, it's potato dumplings. They
No.
call these things.
No.
Oh, what the fuck? Dad?
Just like you call pasta and spaghetti. There's not another word.
No, noodles. English
That's
people
not a
call
word.
it noodles.
That's not a word.
I know that, but I'm just telling you. Okay, I'm not
It's not
gonna.
potato dumplings.
Come and take these gnocchis out. I'm not gonna fight with it.
Gnocchi.
This is not good for YouTube.
Big spot.
My God. Wow. That sauce smells so good. Wow. There it is. That's the homemade gnocchi. Oh, so good. Oh my God. Everything's growling on me. Okay, Dad, I want to eat it. There it is. Homemade gnocchi. Thanks, baby. It looks beautiful. There's the final outcome. Looks good.